Hello everybody! Paano ba mag-prepare ng engineer's report for our discharge permit application? Hinahanap yan ng evaluator ng EMB sa pag-apply ng discharge permit. Kadalasan na tanong dyan, ano po ang content ng engineer's report? Ito po ay based lamang sa outline na binigay sa DAO 2005-10. So, it's personal experience yung paggawa ng engineer's report na ito. So, iba-ibang paraan ng pag-prepare ng engineer's report, pero I will give some simple preparation ng engineer's report na I hope makatulong sa atin. May mga outline na sinusunod para sa pag-prepare ng engineer's report for our wastewater treatment system at yan ay based sa DAO 2005-10. Ang mga content ng engineer's report, naka-follow yung ating outline. So first in our outline, we have the project description. Next is yung ating brief description of manufacturing process involved. Ganun din ang production capacity, quality or volume, and the generic name of the products. Pang-apat, ang nature and character of wastewater and its physical and chemical composition. Number 5, the total daily volume of discharge of raw wastewater. And number 6, the treatment process and estimated treatment efficiency, the expected quality of the effluent, and other discharge shall meet the effluent standards of the DENR. Number 7 is the total daily volume of water consumption and discharge of final treated wastewater effluent. Number 8, the name of receiving body of water and its official water classification in case of and discharge. The nearest receiving body of water and its official water classification. Number 9, we have the information on flow measurement, equipment, and procedure. Number 10, the pollution prevention or environmental management plan or program. The environmental management program. And last but not the least, the cost of installation and maintenance of wastewater treatment facility. So yun po ang outline natin sa paggawa ng engineer's report. At kung gusto nating matutunan pa lalo yung content ng engineer's report, please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Maraming salamat po. At sana may natutunan po tayo sa paggawa ng engineer's report for wastewater treatment system per DAO 2005-10 at ina-upload natin yan sa online permitting and monitoring system for our discharge permit application. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat at sana magkita-kita pa ulit tayo sa mga susunod na preparation ng report. Thank you very much at mag-ingat po tayo lahat. Mabuhay ang mga PCO.